Why Indian banks will soon ask for ESG reports, MSME alert. If you're a small business owner in India, and you think ESG doesn't matter to you, think again. Want better interest rates down the line? Dream of green loans or those exclusive supply chains? What's changing in Indian banking? The RBI has started talking about climate risk and ESG-linked lending. Example, RBI discussion paper on climate risk and sustainable finance, July 2022, SBI, HDFC, and Axis have all mentioned ESG in their sustainability reports. Green finance and low-carbon lending are growing. Banks will soon ask, do you have policies for employee safety? Do you track energy or water use? Can you show social responsibility? That's ESG. Why ESG data is becoming a risk factor. Banks assess risk before they lend. Earlier, financials, collateral, credit score. Now is your business exposed to climate risks? Will a labor issue shut you down tomorrow? Do you have poor vendor practices that could backfire? ESG answers these questions. If you don't have data, you're a higher risk, or an unknown one. Real trends happening. Now SBI's ESG-linked loans to corporates equals interest rate based on ESG score. SEBI's brsr mandate equals top 1,000 firms must disclose ESG, their suppliers. MSMEs. Get asked 2 lenders using ESG ratings, CARE, CRISIL, etc. have ESG scores. Some NBFCs and banks have ESG frameworks under discussion for MSME lending. Why this matters for MSMEs? You may not be asked yet, but the buyers, exporters, and clients you work with will be. And they'll expect you to show proof too. Want to get better interest rates in future? Apply for green loans or grants? Be preferred in supply chains? Then start tracking your ESG now, even in a simple Excel. What you can do today. You don't need a fancy system. Start by tracking 5 things. Energy/water usage, number of women/team diversity, safety/training measures, waste handling, local community impact. Download the checklist from description. Subscribe to the ESG Within Academy for real-world, practical ESG guidance tailored for MSMEs.